Hello stunning fan, Michele here. We're glad you stopped by. In today's video, we're attempting something that we've never done before, so this is truly a stunning misadventure. We were in need of 15 floral arrangements for Sarah's grandmother's celebration of life service, and our goal was to do it all for $500. When we started pricing through florists, we quickly realized that route would put us way over budget, so we decided to make them ourselves, hence the adventure. We knew we wanted white hydrangeas in all the arrangements, but disappointingly, the ones that we found at our local shops were looking really sad. So, we came up with a hack. We purchased a bunch of artificial hydrangeas on Amazon that looked realistic and used those to ensure that they would be pretty and that they would hold up for the service. I have to say, we were very pleased with the result. They blended right in and looked very real and nobody even knew. To begin, we trimmed all the ends and placed the florals in buckets with fresh water and plant food. Then we put our wet foam floral bricks in water to soak. For our arrangements, we foraged for most of the greenery to save money, and then we purchased some eucalyptus and flowers from Trader Joe's. I can't begin to tell you what all the plant species are because we're not florists. We just looked for cool plants to add color and an interesting texture to the arrangements for the base layer of greenery. Then I just started adding different layers of the variety of greenery we had to build the base of the arrangement. Next, I added some of the taller filler flowers to set the height of the arrangement, and I filled in the gaps with some baby's breath. For these arrangements, the final step was to add all of the color florals and some tall eucalyptus for some more added sprigs of height. The small bouquets. We needed 12 small bouquets for the centerpieces in the middle of each table. We used Scotch tape to create a grid over the mouth of these cute square vases to create some structure to begin building the arrangements in. Then we began building first the greenery base, then our filler flowers, and finally the color florals. We used the same constructing pattern as the larger arrangements, just on a smaller scale.
We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking, unboxing videos, to anything that can be a DIY style project. And we would really love it if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time that we decide to share one of our projects.
The large standing spray arrangement was the real adventure because I had never made one of these. We started off by first attaching our pre-soaked floral foam cage that we had wrapped in plastic to contain as much water as possible to the floral easel. I used greenery, eucalyptus to be exact, to begin building the shape of the arrangement. Unlike the vase arrangements, I went ahead and added color florals all throughout the assembly of this larger arrangement. We are not professionals by far, and this was my very first attempt at a standing spray arrangement, but it was a fun challenge, and the family was happy with the outcome. Grandma Josie, you are greatly missed.
Again, thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.